Imagine falling, not from a plane, not from a mountain, but into the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. A world so massive that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. No surface, no solid ground, no place to land, only endless atmosphere pulling you deeper and deeper. Today, we are going to experience what would really happen if you fell into Jupiter, second by second, layer by layer, until survival becomes impossible. Jupiter is not just big, it is violent. Wind speeds here can exceed 400 miles per hour, faster than the strongest hurricanes on Earth. Its gravity is crushing. Its storms are eternal. And its atmosphere hides pressures so extreme they can destroy spacecraft. This is not a planet meant to be visited. It is a planet meant to be feared. Yet today, you are falling into it. At first, it looks beautiful. Bands of orange, white, and crimson clouds swirl beneath you. From orbit, Jupiter almost appears calm, peaceful. But that illusion disappears quickly. As gravity pulls you closer, you begin accelerating faster and faster. There is no parachute that can save you now, no engine powerful enough to escape. Jupiter has you. The moment you enter the atmosphere, everything changes. Friction ignites the air around you. Temperatures climb rapidly. Your suit begins heating. Alarms would already be screaming. The winds hit next. Not like Earth's wind. These are supersonic jet streams. They don't push you, they tear at you. You are thrown sideways, spun, dragged deeper. And this is still the safest layer of Jupiter. As you fall further, the atmosphere thickens. Breathing becomes harder. Every kilometer downward multiplies the pressure. Imagine the weight of the ocean stacked above your body. Now double it, then triple it. Soon, even the strongest spacecraft ever built would begin to fail. Metal bends, structures collapse, and the human body? It was never designed for this. The deeper you go, the hotter it becomes. Temperatures climb beyond boiling, then far beyond that. At some depth, it becomes hotter than lava. Clouds disappear, light fades. You are now falling through a dim, endless orange darkness. There is no up, no down, just pressure and heat. And the terrifying realization that no rescue could ever reach you here. Eventually, pressure reaches a level the human body cannot comprehend. Bones would not break, they would compress. Your lungs could not expand. Your bloodstream itself would struggle against the force surrounding you. Even if, somehow, your suit survived, you would not. And yet, Jupiter still isn't finished. Because below this region lies something even stranger. Scientists believe that deep inside Jupiter, hydrogen transforms into a liquid metal. Not water, metal. An ocean capable of conducting electricity. Imagine waves made of shimmering metallic hydrogen, larger than entire continents. Above it all, Jupiter's magnetic field rages, the strongest of any planet, powerful enough to generate radiation that could destroy electronics instantly. This is not just hostile, it is alien. But Jupiter has one final weapon, pressure so extreme that the very concept of a human body stops making sense. On Earth, pressure changes are gradual, predictable, survivable. But inside Jupiter, pressure rises millions of times beyond what we experience at sea level. At some depth, even atoms are forced closer together.
matter itself begins to behave differently. Your body would not simply be crushed, it would be compressed into something unrecognizable, not destroyed violently, but erased quietly, as if you were never meant to exist there at all. And still, you would continue falling. Sunlight cannot reach this far. There are no reflections, no shadows, only endless blackness. Imagine opening your eyes and seeing absolutely nothing, not even your own hands. Orientation disappears. Up and down lose meaning. You are suspended inside a darkness so complete, the human brain struggles to process it. Because our minds were built for horizons, for landmarks, for light. Here, there is none. Only the awareness that above you lies thousands of kilometers of atmosphere, and below you, no one knows. Without a visible sky, without a surface, without reference, time itself begins to distort. Seconds feel longer, thoughts slow down, panic tries to surface, but even panic requires energy, and energy is fading fast. Your oxygen is nearly gone, your suit long past its limits, your body overwhelmed by physics. In this place, survival is not a question anymore, only inevitability. Jupiter is not killing you. It is simply being what it has always been, a giant, indifferent to your existence.
If someone could somehow watch your descent, they wouldn't see an explosion, no dramatic ending. You would simply vanish beneath the clouds, swallowed by a planet so large, your entire world would disappear without leaving a scar. No signal, no debris, no evidence you were ever there, just silence. In the vastness of space, some endings are not loud, they are absolute. And yet, despite its violence, despite its hostility, we remain drawn to Jupiter, because it represents something fundamental about the universe. Power beyond comprehension, beauty hiding danger, order within chaos. Studying Jupiter helps us understand how planets form, how solar systems evolve, and perhaps how rare a safe world like Earth truly is. It reminds us that our planet is not ordinary. It is extraordinary, a fragile sanctuary in a universe filled with extremes. Here is the strange truth. No one knows for certain. Jupiter may have a dense core, or something far more mysterious, but reaching it would never matter, because long before that moment, Jupiter would have already claimed you, silently, completely, without leaving a trace. From far away, Jupiter is breathtaking, a giant painted across the darkness. But beauty in space is often deceptive, because the universe is not built for human survival. We are explorers, visitors, fragile travelers, moving through environments that could erase us in seconds. Jupiter is a reminder that some worlds are never meant to be touched, only observed from a very safe distance. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see that bright, wandering star, remember what hides beneath those clouds. Endless storms, crushing pressure, alien oceans, and a gravity well from which nothing human could return. If you want to explore the most dangerous places in the universe, subscribe to Space Unspoken, because out there, knowledge isn't just fascinating. Sometimes, it's the only thing keeping you alive.